this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're on the beautiful bay looking at a recent trade of ours. This is a 2018 Formula 350 CBR. So we start in the transom. The first thing you'll notice on the boat, and the first thing I noticed, is this massive swim platform back here. You have plenty of room for your friends, your family, your kids to jump off the back while you're sitting on the sun pad watching the activity. These bolsters will flip forward, so if you're at anchor and you're swimming, you want to have the sun pad with a lean. Works great. You're currently in the back position, so these are great when you're underway. This boat does have the port side walkthrough. You have a freshwater washdown right here, so as you board the boat from the water and you want to rinse the salt water off, perfect spot for it. Continuing to move forward, we'll stop here. So in this cabinet here, you have your battery switches, easily accessible, very smart placement for these. You have a prep station here with a sink, cup holders throughout. You also have nice U-shaped seating here, so there's plenty of room for you and all your guests. The other thing that's really noticeable in this boat, you have charging ports everywhere. So you have a charge port here, in the back, and you'll see them as we move forward. This does have hardtop features with the canvas that extends. So you have plenty of sun coverage if you're out on the water on a hot day and you want to get out of the sun. This boat provides plenty of coverage for you. Moving forward to the helm station, so you have twin captain chairs for you and a companion. You also have the joystick, which is a sought-after feature in many boats. It makes this boat very easy to operate. You got your Marine multifunction display screen. You have your Mercury vessel view, all your engine data. You have analog gauges here for some of your key items like your RPMs, speed, and your trim. Over here you have onboard VHF, Clarion stereo, JBL speakers throughout. Probably sounds pretty great. Subwoofer over there. You got lounge style seating over here, recline back, or if you wanted to sit here and speak with the captain while you're underway, this is a great seat to sit in. You're out of the wind, have field view of behind you and forward, so a nice little spot. Before we move to the bow, I'd like Kate to go down and show you the cabin down there. There's plenty of room down there. You have sleeping in the back. You have bench style seats. You also have a head downstairs and another fridge, so everything you need for a long day out on the water. Moving forward, there's a Bowrider, which is amazing. You have a large cabin and the bow area, plenty of seating up here. So you have armrest. If you wanted to sit and relax, very comfortable seats. This boat does also have a windlass with forward controls. Easy to anchor if you're by yourself or just one or two of you. If you have any questions about this formula or any other boats we have in our inventory, give us a call at 631-424-2710. Again, 631-424-2710. My name is Josh, or any of our other sales consultants will be happy to help you, and we look forward to seeing you on the water. Thank you for stopping by.